So today, Mr. Dog Poop has me running around on a wild goose chase. Just a couple days before Christmas, he wants to replace all his fire extinguishers. So we're going to go down to St. Petersburg to All Fire Equipment and see if we can exchange these, refill them, or whatever needs to be done to make them new again. Hurry up your ass. The mother... I'm going to walk right in front of us and probably get hit. My truck. So we're going to find all the fire extinguishers that we can find in the building, load them into Mr. Dog Poop's truck, and take it out for a ride. We might not get these filled, but at least if the truck starts on fire, we'll be able to put it out.
Where would you like to go?
Siri, Mr. Dog Poop would like me to go to All Fire Equipment in St. Pete. Thank you, Siri. We have no idea where we're going. Well, we got half a tank of gas. Apple iPlay going. Hopefully we get there. And hopefully they're open the day before Christmas. You're gonna let me go over because you're f***ing on my ass. And here comes somebody jaywalking across the street that's gonna walk right in front of us and probably get hit. Oops! I hope we didn't mess up the front of his truck. Even though we hit that guy, if he had started on fire, we would have been able to put him out. This is the wrong street, Siri. It says continue 60 feet. Damn it, Siri! Look at this. Look at that motherfucker. Look at that motherfucker. I'm going after him. What? He's going the same place. Why do you have to cut in front of me? No traffic out there, but everybody's up each other's ass. Mr. Dog Poop should understand my rage. I have road rage. I have to drive his stupid big truck. It's probably going to run out of gas a couple days before Christmas to find fire extinguishers. Come on. Look at that guy. Where's he going? I'm speeding and they're passing me like I'm standing still. Good job, Siri. The thing hasn't even come on. What the f***? Look at all the exits are closed. How the hell can you get off of this stupid highway when all the exits are shut down? God, man, that guy almost hit me. It's a fucking Tesla. All that road construction and that's what we're driving over? Fix it. Driving Mr. Dog Poop's truck. If anything happens to it, I'm out of a job. I'm going to get back and I'm going to hit Mr. Dog Poop in the head with one of those stupid fire extinguishers. Here we are, All Florida Fire Equipment, Fire Safety Specialist. Beware of the dog. So we just left All Florida Fire Equipment and we got 3 new fire extinguishers, and we recertified 5. So Mr. Dog Poop should be very happy. We saved him some money. And we also picked up a whole truckload of junk fire extinguishers to build props. So all the cool things that we do in the videos, now we have some extra materials that we got for free. And that's going to really make Mr. Dog Poop happy. I can't wait to tell him and then have him yell at me. Damn it, we got to stop for a red light. Jeez, this is going to take us all day to get back. There was no green arrow? Are you kidding me? We're going to have to sit here and try to dodge Christmas traffic? We've literally been here for 2 changes of the light and nobody's moved. With 3 cars. 3 cars. Nobody's moved. Obviously the green arrow's broken. Up, green arrow. Hurry up. Hurry up your ass. Hurry up. There's a speed limit, buddy. We're littered with Teslas over here. Every little freaking young millennial, whatever the hell they are. Mr. Dog Poop sends me on a road rage trip to get fire extinguishers because he's too chicken to do it himself. They're stopping dead in the middle of a 60-mile-an-hour zone because there's so much traffic. Why haven't you said anything? For somebody with such a big mouth, you haven't said anything on the whole trip. The f***? When I get back, I have a word or two for Mr. Dog Poop about the shitty truck. I'm in the middle of filming, you moron. Don't frickin' call me, Mr. Dog Poop. I'm in the middle of filming your stupid trip. Don't worry about my signal that I'm turning to try to get over 2 lanes. Just go around me. Look at the road, the traffic, the crappy signs, crappy drivers, miserable people. I'm gonna go tell Mr. Dog Poop what a great job we did. I'll be right back. He wants to know what took us so long. So we got all Florida fire and equipment. We got all the extinguishers professionally inspected, which means they looked at the date on the sticker that I had and they said, okay, fine. That's the whole inspection, 15 bucks. 15 bucks. So look at the date on the sticker and say, yep, it's okay. Mr. Dog Poop, your fire extinguishers are here.